Hi guys, Crash Dummy 556 here, back with it again with another video. This is another redstone tutorial and it's going to be really easy as you can see in the back here. Today we are making an armor swapper. It's a very niche and compact design. As you can see, you press the button and armor pops out, and another armor pops out, and again another armor pops out. And this holds 3 armor, as you can see. And all you really need for it is 3 sets of armor, some armor stands, redstone button, yeah, button, um, redstone dust, lamp, slime blocks, piston observer, an immovable block, and like two blocks of your choice. It's really compact, and trapdoor. Okay, so basically what you do is you put a block of your choice, put a redstone dust on it, and right click on it, so it turns into like a little dot. Sticky piston and slime block on top. On top of this redstone goes the immovable block. Then you put a temporary block in the middle and put a redstone lamp on it. Destroy the temporary block and put an observer on it. Easy to make the weather clear. Um, and then put a redstone dust on it. Click it again and put your last block on it. Then uh, on this block you place the button. Then you take the trapdoors. You put one here and one here. Place your armor stand on the bottom. Press it so it goes to the top. Place another one. Press this one. It goes to the top. And place the last one. Boom. And take your armor. Press the button so it pops out again. And that's it. We have a armor swapper right here. It's a really nice design. I really like it. Okay, yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Um, if my voice is a bit stuffy or I don't know how to call it, it's because I just woke up. Yeah. So yeah, basically that's it. And yeah, if you guys like the design, please like and subscribe. And I may have to upload a little less uh, next month, and probably today is going to be the last daily video, or maybe one of the last. But yeah, and I forgot to mention this is the first video that I am actually my channel is named Crash Dummy 556. So yeah, woohoo! Alright, enough yapping from me. You guys have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.